Here's how to fix no sound for incoming iPhone calls. Now, if you're on your phone and someone tries to call you and you pick it up, but there's just no sound, you can't hear anything, I'm going to show you how to get that fixed. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is swipe down from the top right here. Now, if someone calls you, one culprit, oftentimes culprit, is that you're connected to a third-party service, maybe a speaker or a headphone somewhere. So what we're going to do is turn off Bluetooth. And while we're in here, we're going to turn this volume slider all the way up. This will ensure that your volume when you talk to someone is as loud as it possibly will go. And then by turning off Bluetooth, we've disconnected from any third-party speakers or headphones or anything like that. Now, the next thing that we will do is the physical buttons on the side. We're going to press those until they goes all the way up. You can see at the top it says ringer at the very highest level. So both of those volume sliders we've turned up to the very highest. The next thing I would recommend doing is going into your settings here. We'll scroll down and tap on accessibility under general. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose audio and visual here. Now on here, there are a couple things that sometimes will cause issues. If you scroll down, you can see balance. Now, if the balance is all the way to the left or all the way to the right, sometimes this can mess things up in terms of your speakers on your phone, or if you have headphones on or anything like that, not playing the audio from a call very well. So make sure that is set to the very center here. And then other things like add voice isolation and mono audio, I would recommend just turning all of those off because they can sometimes mess up with the audio quality on your phone if it just doesn't work very well. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is we're going to go out of here and go back again. And then we're going to tap on general. There it is. Scroll down to the very bottom. We're going to hit shut down. So turn off your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and rebooting it fixes your phone, any kind of glitches or issues with your phone. It might have been on for days or weeks or months even. So just restarting it fixes a lot of issues. The next one is hit transfer or reset iPhone, and we'll tap on reset here. And then we're just going to hit reset all settings. This will reset all the settings on your phone back to factory default. Enter in the passcode for your phone here. And keep in mind, this will change all the settings, but not the actual content on your phone. It will all still be there. It will just remove and set all of these settings back to how they were when you first got your phone. Now, the last thing that I would recommend doing is if you still run into issues, there could be physical issues with the microphone on your phone. So I would recommend taking the case off, maybe taking the screen protector off, and cleaning at the very top and at the very bottom, those little speaker inputs. Make sure they're not clogged with dust or lint or anything like that, and make sure they're free and clear so that you'll be able to hear sound as it comes out of there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.